To check in with our financial analyst Keith Springer for today's edition of Smart Money. Good morning, Keith. Yesterday we kind of just stayed in the green all day. What are we looking to do today?
Today we had a lot of economic numbers. We're sort of flooding around. We still have a lot of debate going on with the fiscal cliff. Really, that's going to be what pushes the market over the next couple of weeks. If we get a deal, it's going to push up. If we don't, we could fall over the cliff in stock prices as well. This morning we had a slew of information, Bethany. We had a producer price index, which is the gauge of inflation, show that it's pretty much way down, almost non-existent, especially when you remove food and energy. I don't know why they like to remove food and energy, because I think most of us eat and drive, but they like to pretend anyway. We had retail sales, a little bit disappointing, but that could be pushing the market in one direction or the other. At least we have the consumer out there spending, and we had unemployment benefits drop a little bit this week. 4-week average is better than expected, so a little bit of good, a little bit of bad, a little bit of average, so sort of a mundane day for the market at the moment.
So Keith, you said that retail sales were a little bit disappointing, but as we move into the holiday season, we expect those to probably go up, don't we?
Yeah, we typically do. They always have estimates, and usually this time of the year, you have the electronics manufacturers, particularly the iPhones, and they go to Best Buy and they buy iPads, iPhones, and all the toys, because even if people don't spend, we're finding that our generation, even if we don't go out and spend a lot on different things like houses and cars, that we do buy our toys. Our generation loves our toys, and so we do expect people to go out and spend during Christmas. They just thought it was going to be a little bit better than expected. I will say, Bethany, though, that the automobile sector, cars were a little better than expected. More people were buying cars, but a lot of it had to do with Hurricane Sandy destroying a lot of cars, so people had to replace them.
All right, thank you so much, Keith. And if you have a question for Keith Springer, you can always email us at money@fox40.com. On Wednesdays, he heads in studio and answers your questions on the Big Red Couch, or just give him a call, 916-925-8900.
Time to take a look at that traffic. Sheldon Overs in the Atlantis Reno Traffic Center. Good morning.
Good morning, and looking right now